Stunning two-story built in 2019. Located in the Heron Crest neighborhood. Light and elegant floor plan west/soaring ceilings and stacked stone entrance and fireplace for a wow from the moment you enter. 4 bedrooms, including one on the main floor that opens to deck. 2 full and 1/2 baths. Sunny kitchen west/full-sized, side-by-side refrigerator and freezer. Soft close cabinetry and quartz waterfall-style countertops. Enormous walk-in butler's pantry and formal dining room for entertaining. Master suite features mountain and territorial views. Beautifully tiled shower, soaking tub and walk-in closet. Very spacious laundry/mud room leads to 2-car garage. The formal dining room flexes to a pool/game room. Hurry!